In this video, we will see how to add picture in comment in Excel sheet. Let's start. Here I already add two pictures in name. Okay, you can see here. So we'll see how to add the pictures. In third name, I will show you how to add pictures in comment. Just select the name, click on the review tab, click on the new comment, delete it all details. In comment box on comment corner line, just click one and then right click of the mouse and then click on format comment. Okay, then click on the colors and lines, then click on the colors, click on the fill effects, click on the pictures, select the picture from your file. Here I have a three image. I select the third one, click on OK, click on OK. Now you can see the picture is added in comment. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my